Checking your own credit will not affect your score, unless it is by applying for credit. It is called soft pull. A soft pull is when a credit card company or lender checks your credit with a background check. It's simply a review of your credit, and there is no debt check. So what? So that's why your credit is not affected. A soft pull shows exactly what would you see if you look at your own credit, lines of credit, loans, your payment history, and any collection accounts. Unfortunately, these soft pulls can occur without your permission, and the ones that do soft pulls are employers, credit card companies, and insurance companies.